Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Here is Roshni. You are watching CID News Network, Islamabad. Today's English headlines. CM Usman Buzdar timely completion of development projects in Bahawalpur. Chief Minister Punjab Usman Buzdar timely directed completion of ongoing development projects in Bahawalpur. SC to hear PPP leader Syed Khurshid Shah's bail plea on Wednesday. Supreme Court of Pakistan will hear bail plea of former opposition leader in National Assembly and senior leader of Pakistan People's Party Syed Khurshid Shah on Wednesday. For causes Ibrarul Haq's car crash in Gujranwala, nephew injured. PTI leader and singer Ibrarul Haq's nephew got injured after the family's car met a traffic mishap owing to dense fog causing poor visibility. Another suspect arrested in college student gang rape case. Police arrested another suspect in a case pertaining to kidnapping cum gang rape of a college student in Karachi. One dead as bride's cousin fires at groom's car in Karachi. A person was killed while another got wounded in a firing incident in Karachi's Kimari district. Man involved in Okara's sexual assault arrested. Local police. A man was arrested who committed rape with a girl after getting her intoxicated with a drug. 14 gamblers arrested. Police claim to arrested 14 gamblers with stake money from Rangpura area. This is the end of today's news. If you didn't subscribe our channel yet, please subscribe it, like it, share it and comment on it. And also follow us on Facebook. Take care and keep watching CID News Network, Islamabad. Goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network, Islamabad.